Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best tape cleaner is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for anyone looking to preserve their cherished audio or video memories, ensuring that the magnetic tape media you rely on for nostalgia or critical data remains in pristine condition for years to come, preventing the degradation that can lead to irreversible loss of precious content. Number 5. Goo Gone Original Liquid, 8 ounce. Are you struggling with stubborn adhesives and sticky residues? Goo Gone Original Liquid is here to help you tackle those tough messes with ease. Our unique formula is designed to be safe on a variety of surfaces. You can trust it to remove unwanted substances without causing damage. From stickers and labels to tape residue, this powerful remover tackles it all. It even works on grease, tar, crayon marks, and glue. Simply apply the liquid, let it work its magic, and wipe away the mess. Cleaning has never been this simple and effective. Don't let sticky situations get you down. Grab a bottle of Goo Gone Original Liquid and experience the difference for yourself. What we like. This cleaner is your go-to for tackling stubborn adhesive residue. It safely removes stickers, labels, and tape without damaging surfaces. If you're dealing with sticky messes from everyday items or crafting projects, this is the solution for you. What people say. It is a very good product and works very well. This tape cleaner is very effective and easy to use. Number 4. Combat Cleaner Ultimate Hat Cleaning Kit. Tired of dingy hats? Introducing the Ultimate Cleaning Kit designed to restore your favorite headwear. It's the perfect solution for all your hat cleaning needs. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a spotless finish. You get a powerful cleaner, a specialized brush, and a deodorizer to keep your hats fresh. Don't let stains ruin your hats. Our advanced formula is specifically designed to lift and remove even the most stubborn marks. Say goodbye to dirt and grime. From baseball caps to cowboy hats and everything in between, this kit is safe and effective. It's the versatile solution for every hat in your collection. Not only does it clean, but it also deodorizes, ensuring your hats look and smell great. Give your hats the care they deserve and keep them looking new. Choose the Combat Cleaner Ultimate Hat Cleaning Kit for unparalleled results. It's the essential tool for any hat enthusiast looking to maintain their collection. What we like. Keep your favorite hats looking fresh with this comprehensive cleaning kit. It's designed to tackle stains and odors on any type of hat, from baseball caps to cowboy hats. If you want to restore your headwear to its former glory and keep it smelling great, this kit is a must-have. What people say. The tape cleaner is easy to use and effectively removes dust and debris from tape heads. It works well on both audio and video tapes, restoring sound and picture quality. The cleaning solution dries quickly, leaving no residue behind. Number 3. Goo Gone Sticker Lifter. Tired of stubborn stickers and labels? Goo Gone Sticker Lifter is your go-to solution for easy removal. Its powerful citrus formula tackles even the toughest adhesive residue. Harness the natural cleaning power of citrus. This remover effectively breaks down adhesives from stickers, tape, labels, and more. Say goodbye to sticky messes with ease. Don't let the name fool you. It's designed to lift not only stickers but also tape, labels, decals, tags, and even gum. One product for multiple removal needs. This 2-ounce bottle is perfectly sized for quick cleanups and on-the-go applications. Keep it handy for whenever adhesive challenges arise. It's powerful yet portable. Restore your belongings to their pristine condition. It leaves surfaces clean and residue-free, without causing damage. Enjoy a spotless finish every time. When it comes to sticky situations, trust this powerful remover. It's the ultimate solution for all your adhesive removal needs. Get the job done right, the first time. What we like. For quick and effective sticker removal, this compact option is ideal. Its citrus power easily lifts adhesives from various surfaces. If you frequently deal with price tags, labels, or gum, and need a convenient, on-the-go solution, this is the product to grab. What people say. The tape cleaner is very effective at removing dust and debris from tape heads. Its compact design makes it easy to store and use. The cleaning solution included is long-lasting and provides excellent results. Number 2. Dura-Gold 8 Abrasive Cleaning Stick. Tired of sandpaper losing its effectiveness? This premium quality cleaning stick is designed to bring your abrasives back to life. It's made from professional-grade natural rubber to ensure long-lasting performance. This tool isn't just for sandpaper, it's a versatile cleaner for various surfaces. Use it on sanding discs, belts, and even skateboard grip tape to maintain optimal performance and traction. Say goodbye to stubborn buildup. It quickly removes sawdust, pitch, glue, and other debris that clogs your abrasives. This prevents clogging and keeps your tools cutting efficiently. Using it couldn't be simpler. Just hold it firmly against the moving or stationary sandpaper. For grip tape, rub it across the surface in long strokes. No special tools or solutions are needed. Extend the life of your expensive abrasives and save money in the long run. This cost-effective solution reduces the frequency of sandpaper replacement, making it an essential tool for any workshop. What we like. Maximize the lifespan of your sandpaper and abrasive tools with this cleaning stick. It effectively removes debris that causes clogging, restoring their cutting power. If you're a woodworker, DIY enthusiast, or skateboarder who relies on clean abrasives, this tool will save you money and improve your results. What people say. It cleans the tape heads effectively. The cleaner is easy to use and leaves no residue. It works on both audio and video tape heads. Number 1. Goo Gone Heavy Duty Cleaner and Degreaser Spray with Microfiber Towel. Tackle your toughest messes with this heavy-duty cleaner. It's designed to cut through stubborn grease, oil, and grime with ease. Watch as it effortlessly dissolves tough residues that other cleaners leave behind. This powerful formula gets the job done. For your convenience, a high-quality microfiber cleaning towel is included. It's perfect for wiping away loosened dirt and achieving a spotless finish. Whether it's in your garage, kitchen, or workshop, this cleaner is your go-to solution. It handles the most challenging cleaning jobs. You get a large 32-ounce bottle, ensuring you have plenty of product for multiple uses. It's an economical choice for demanding cleaning needs. Experience the difference that a truly effective cleaner can make. It's the ultimate tool for restoring surfaces to their original clean state. What we like. Tackle the toughest grease, oil, and grime with this heavy-duty spray. It's formulated to cut through stubborn messes on a variety of surfaces. If you're working in a garage, workshop, or kitchen and need a powerful degreaser to make cleaning easier, this spray and towel combo is perfect for you. What people say. The tape cleaner is effective at removing dust and debris from tape heads, ensuring optimal playback quality. Its compact design makes it easy to store and use, fitting neatly into most audio equipment setups. The cleaning solution included is non-abrasive and safe for all types of magnetic tape, preserving the integrity of your recordings. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.